In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add double exponential moving averages on TradingView, a handy feature for those looking to enhance their trading strategy and get a clearer picture of market trends. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this tool can add significant value to your chart analysis. First, let's start by navigating to the TradingView chart. If you haven't done so yet, open the TradingView website and log in to your account. TradingView is a widely used platform because of its powerful tools and user-friendly interface. Once you're logged in, head straight to your desired chart. This could be a stock, cryptocurrency, or any financial instrument you are interested in analyzing. The chart is your playground where all the technical analysis happens. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the Indicators button prominently displayed. Clicking on this button opens a list of various indicators that you can use. Now, indicators are essential tools for traders as they offer different ways to interpret market data and make informed decisions. The good thing about TradingView is that it hosts a comprehensive library of indicators, so you're likely to find all you need in one place. After clicking Indicators, head to the search bar at the top of the pop-up window. Within the search bar, type Double EMA. Now, the Double Exponential Moving Average, or Double EMA, is a technical indicator similar to the traditional Exponential Moving Average, EMA, but it places more weight on recent price action. This makes it less susceptible to random price fluctuations or noise, providing a smoother representation of the asset's trend. Once you've typed Double EMA, look for the search result that matches it exactly. Clicking on the Double EMA from the list will automatically apply it to your chart. You should immediately notice a new line that appears following the price action on your chart. The Double EMA line by default might appear in a certain color and thickness. If you wish to customize how it looks, you can do so by clicking on the small gear icon next to its name on the chart's legend. This customization feature helps you differentiate between multiple indicators on your chart, allowing for a neater and more effective analysis. And there you have it. You've successfully added a double exponential moving average to your TradingView chart. To maximize its utility, consider exploring how this indicator interacts with other metrics on your chart. By keeping an eye on the double EMA in relation to pricing trends, you'll gain valuable insights that could inform your trading decisions. As always, remember that indicators are aids and should be used in conjunction with other analytical methods and market knowledge. Happy trading, and stay tuned for more tutorials.